catch up on rest time. So today is called the evolution of Internet and TCP IP. First, we learning in TCP IP, so we understand the concept. What is TCP IP? Who are making it? I don't know any. So you need to learn this history, Internet. So the origin of the Internet begin with the study of the U.S. Department of Defense in 1969. So United is now so really best powerful IT part. At this time, the established experimental network is called ARPANET. First name is ARPANET. Yeah. But not important, just yeah. So in the 1980s, network manufacturers use the number of proprietary protocols. There also have so many protocols, many kind of have. So which had interoperative problems. So we can commit another things. We need to another things. It's have to know many protocols. So for this region to move to create international standard protocol began. Okay. This is OSI protocol established in 1982. Finally, the majority of network so use the TCP IP protocol. So and TCP IP has become the de facto standard for the internet now. So we need to consider only some TCP IP nowadays. But developer or some engineers need to know another protocol. We already have many things. So currently network using TCP IP. So we can see just some web server part. Web server part is consists of this one. So HTTP the process, we can call it HTTP application layer, and some kernel and can handle TCP IP part, some transport layer and IP layer, and so physical this NIH card. So we can link layer, we can call the link layer. So the TCP IP protocol suite is a set of protocol basis on two protocols, TCP and IP. Yeah, they are separate. Yeah. Although it's called the main axis, it is not necessary to use TCP, and IP is necessary because it uses the IP address when specifying the communication counterpart. So we introduced the OSI reference model along with the layer. It was a layer model of network role sharing. So it's a figure that compares the layer structure using a protocol called HTTP in the web server with the actual position of the system. So how about, so okay, you can go from top to bottom. So application layer, so I wanted to send the image data. So let's send it to another layer. Then some transfer layer, some the data requested by the application is transferred to the other party. And they go down. So I will carry the data. This data is this one to its final location. And link layer, so let's send it to the peripheral device that directly connect. More opposite case is same. Someone send it to some data, so we'll receive this part first one, and we'll go to higher layer. is divided into layer structure. So the application that want to communicate can delegate to TCP IP without having to create communication structure on their own. It's also easy to change what is in charge of each layer. TCP IP is said to be a 4-layer system, but when it comes to on-site, it's often called a 7-layer OSI reference model. So actually some are when go to our some customer or our site, so Ethernet layer, so we just call to L2, and IP layer just call to L3. Yeah. So there are some L2, L3, L4, more other things is just we can call application. So there are some common using this word. So following section compare L4 layer communication model using TCP IP, which is the representative protocol in TCP IP, which is Ethernet. Note that this is an example of HTTP application protocol.